Amsterdam, the city of canals and charming streets, usually evokes images of beauty and cultural richness. However, beneath this facade, there exists a somber tale of suffering and resilience during World War II. Amidst the horrors of Nazi occupation, one young girl's story stood out as a symbol of hope and courage. Anne Frank, a 13-year-old Jewish girl, was trapped for 761 days in the secret annex, her diary serving as a poignant testament to the human spirit in the face of adversity. Before the outbreak of World War II, Anne Frank led a relatively ordinary life in Amsterdam in Netherlands. She attended school, enjoyed spending time with her friends, and harbored dreams of becoming a writer. However, her life took a dramatic turn with the rise of Adolf Hitler and his malevolent Nazi regime. Driven by an insatiable hunger for power and fueled by venomous ideology, Hitler sought to expand his reign of terror beyond the borders of Germany. With the Netherlands as their next target, the Nazi war machine set its sights on Amsterdam, known for its strategic location and symbolic significance. In the early hours of that fateful day, a dense fog of trepidation enveloped the city as the first echelons of Nazi troops descended upon Amsterdam. A sense of uncertainty permeated through the streets, as ordinary citizens braced themselves for an unprecedented upheaval of their peaceful existence. In July 1942, the Franks, along with the Van Pel's family and Fritz Pfeffer, went into hiding in a concealed annex located behind Otto Frank's business premises. They were driven by the fear of being captured and sent to concentration camps, as the Nazis relentlessly hunted down Jews during their occupation of Amsterdam. The annex, a cramped and concealed space, became their refuge for the next 2 years. During her time in hiding, Anne Frank began to write her thoughts and experiences in a diary she received on her 13th birthday. The diary, which she affectionately named Kitty, became her confidant and a medium through which she expressed her fears, dreams, and emotions. In her writings, Anne exhibited a remarkable maturity, capturing the daily struggles of living in confinement, her longing for freedom, and her aspirations for a better world. Life in the annex was fraught with challenges. The constant fear of being discovered, limited provisions, and the emotional strain of living in close quarters tested the inhabitants' resilience. Anne's relationships with her family members, particularly her mother, Edith Frank, and the often tense dynamic with Mrs. Van Pels, added to the emotional turmoil. Despite the overwhelming circumstances, Anne never lost hope. Her diary entries revealed an unwavering belief in the goodness of humanity and a longing for a future free from war and prejudice. She held onto her dreams, expressing a desire to become a journalist and a writer after the war. Unfortunately, hope was short-lived. On August 4, 1944, the annex's hiding place was betrayed, and the residents were arrested by the Gestapo. They were transported to various concentration camps, and Anne, along with her sister Margot, ended up at Bergen-Belsen. The harsh conditions of the camp took a severe toll on their health. Tragically, Anne Frank's life came to a premature end in March 1945, just a few weeks before the British liberated Bergen-Belsen. The exact circumstances surrounding her death remain uncertain, but her legacy lives on through her diary. After the war, Anne's father, Otto Frank, returned to Amsterdam as the sole survivor of the annex. Meipkes, one of the brave individuals who helped hide the families, gave him Anne's diary, which she had preserved. Upon reading his daughter's powerful and intimate words, Otto was deeply moved and decided to publish the diary in 1947. Anne's diary, titled The Diary of a Young Girl, has since become one of the most widely read and influential books in the world. It has touched the hearts of millions, offering an insight into the experiences of those persecuted during the Holocaust and reminding us of the importance of empathy, tolerance, and understanding. Anne Frank's 761 days in hiding in Nazi-occupied Amsterdam left an indelible mark on the world. Through her diary, she gifted us with a unique perspective on the Holocaust, allowing us to understand the human experience during such a dark period. Her courage, resilience, and unyielding hope continue to inspire and teach us about the importance of compassion, empathy, and the pursuit of a world free from hatred and discrimination. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions about Anne Frank or any other topic, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more compelling contents. Until next time, be kind.